For well over a century, people have come to California in search of fame and fortune and wealth. Some do it by drilling down into the earth, others by planting on top of the earth. So from oil to soil.
Really, when they started here in '72, this was the only thing here. It was a very aggressive move, especially we're one of the largest wineries in Santa Barbara physically.
Drink, drink, drink.
And now it's time to taste the finished product. This is Bruce's favorite part of the show.
That's not particularly fun to him because he's kind of got out of the hobby now.
Wonderful. You could really get hooked on this. Well,
Souvenir.
The wine really does get to you. Hi, we're at Carving Ice in Anaheim, California. This is Dan Scher. He's going to be taking us through some of the ice sculptures that they have here specifically today. Somebody wanted to have this at their party, like a party in their backyard.
And this is the way you would receive it.
Wow.
Frozen next day.
Incredible. Folks, you can have one of those shipped to your next party anywhere in the United States. This is Roland Hernandez. He owns carvingice.com. Roland, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
We don't want to interrupt. We know you're real busy finishing up the Spider-Man piece for today. Here's our advice columnist to answer your queries. Now, ask Zbigniew.
Yes, I have a letter here from Mrs. Duchamp from Palmdale, California, who wants to know, she said, "Dear Zbigniew, can you tell me the difference between a martini and a Gibson?" The reason that martinis became popular in the first place was the blending of the spirit gin. So, the next time that you vimps want to order a martini, make sure it's the real thing. If that's too much for you, then ask for a Gibson. If you're a pussy, then drink milk.
now here we are in Woodland Hills, California, at BJ's Restaurant and Brewery. Microbreweries. Here in the heart of the microbrew room is where David, our master brewer, works his magic.
Adding the hops directly into the boil. This is a German style Kolsch that we're doing. It's a beer that has very low in the way of bittering units. So it requires very little in the way of hops to actually get the desired bittering complexity.
You can see our breweries are very small. We brew very small batches, and that way we keep it very fresh. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Marcus Cohn, Executive Chef. Food and beverage go together real well, but when you're drinking, you need some good bite-sized food that you can eat while you're drinking for your company, your party. Smoked salmon with cream cheese on toast points, and it's delightful with a nice white Zinfandel.
Blade Runner. This starts off with a dash of grenadine at the bottom first. Peach schnapps is the next ingredient. A little dash of blue curacao. Next ingredient is triple orange cognac. Ice cold premium vodka. Blade Runner.
and sweet as the fruit on the tree.
Angel that gives a hope that those bright eyes will shine.